Morning guys, we're ready. Well, I say we're ready, I'm ready, I hope you guys are ready. We've come inside, you can probably tell, you can see the tartan curtains in the background. You didn't get the lights of my garden. It's absolutely lashing it down, or it's stopped now, so we're going to start very, very soon. Guys, loads of comments, loads of pictures, looking forward to seeing you. I apologise if you hear the dog in the background laughing, barking. Here we go. Guys, make sure you go on the donation page. Apparently people are finding it difficult to find the donation thing. If you roll down to the bottom of the event page, it's right down the bottom there. If we can hit 3 million by 12 o'clock, that'd be brilliant. 2.5 million I'll be happy with. It's a little bit more exciting, guys. Like running backwards or something, like a Tough Mudder challenge. St Michael's Hospice, guys. Local charity, press that donate button. I feel like Esther Ranson on Telephone in the 80s. Press the button, phone in, call. You know I'm going to be chatting for about 3 hours, don't you? I'm looking for a #1 place this year, guys.
Right.
If anyone's got a bucket of water right now, they can just chuck it at me, that'd be awesome. Just waiting for the orange stall. I'm trying to think where the first one is. I think the first one is, I can't even think, Winchelsea Road, the bottom where I see Lucy. There's always lovely oranges there. Oh, the little cut through where I always see rain. Down by the pub. Shona, your pub. I always get some oranges there, or I drop them, have to go back and then get run over by someone. I lost 3 fingers last year, all because of an orange. Oh George, I love you George, you're amazing mate, you're an absolute legend. Absolute legend mate, please stay safe out there guys, please stay safe. George, stay indoors. If you need shopping, we'll get shopping for you mate. Probably a bit busy right now, but we'll get you some eggs, bread, etc. Just shout if you need help. Loads of love George. Out now, I can't feel my legs at the moment, so that's always a good thing when you run in. They're just on autopilot. The more I think about it, the more I'm going to start to feel my legs. Okay, might need a day off tomorrow to sit in the living room. Might watch Forrest Gump tomorrow. Hoping for a place this year. I think I was 3 million last year. Woo! You've got to think about all the moles out there, guys. It's not easy dating female moles. They're quite elusive. They can't see either, so it's all got to be about personality with the moles. It's not all about the looks, guys and girls out there. It's all about the personality, eh? And the big hands, the big hands, the bigger hands you get. Let's not get into that joke. Let's not get into that joke. My little toe tweak. No chance of getting some of that bag balm on it right now, so I'm just going to have to work through the rubbing. Not much else rubbing going on. Chaffing update right now. We're all good. No bag balm application required. Tastes delicious. They always get stuck at the back of your throat. Anyone who does a run, your throat, we're a nightmare. Who was it? It was. I got given a jelly babe. I nearly choked about 8 miles in. You all know that feeling, guys. Massive love to all the key workers, all the medical staff out there, delivery drivers, to our postman as well. He's been incredible. And I still owe you 2 bottles of wine for Christmas as well. So big love up to them. Don't forget the dustman as well. Love you guys. Thank you very much for your support on Facebook and Twitter. And Lucozade. We need all those Lucozades for the key workers and medical staff out there, NHS staff. Get them some Lucozade. Get them some treats out there, guys. Tweet this. And thank you very much for your support. See you later, guys. I feel like I've got a bib on. But to be fair, I normally have a bib on when I eat anyway, so. Remember those bibs you used to scoop it in back in? All right, love, in you go. A little bit of scooping going in. So the food's been sitting there like 10 minutes. Oh, we'll have a few beans with a bit of pudding, straight in the mooey. We've all been there. They still make those, I'm sure they do. The feeling of needing a wee's gone now, which is good. I think I must have reabsorbed it. Too much information there, guys, I do apologise. The molehill, we've got a molehill update right now. I don't think he's found his date, so if you were here earlier, thank you. But the moles are looking for their mates this time of year, and they tend to like our garden. we were saying it's like mole tinder in our garden. So you dig left or dig right to swipe. And I think there's a male mole in our garden trying to look for a mate right now. I mean, literally live as we speak. It's probably more interesting than me running on a treadmill right now. But he's made a bigger hole in the garden. He's a boy, isn't he, eh? Don't trust atoms, they make up everything. Yes, we love a science pun. We're loving that, Hannah. And I've got to say, this is the most emotional bit. You go through a journey when you do a run, and the people around you are in the same journey with you. And if you've got a cause that you're doing it for, it makes it even more apt and more prevalent in terms of the reason you want to finish. And all the love and support around Hastings with the crowds of people is amazing. I've never done a fun run, or London Marathon is slightly different, but I've never done a run where the support from the locals is more prevalent. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. You're doing an amazing job, St Michael's Hospice and all the organisation of the half marathon. I don't want to see it last, what, mile and a half, 2 miles, guys. You haven't got me for long now, guys. Next hour, I reckon. No, not that long.
13.2, Jackie says.
13.2 miles. Thank you, Jackie. So I'm just struggling a bit now. Thank you for sticking with me, guys. I really appreciate it. Here we go, here we go.
Don't you walk?
I'm not walking. Thought I'd readjust it there. Oh, just take the strain off my back's aching. Oh.
Are you under a mile yet?
Probably under a mile, I'm not looking.
You can do it.
At the moment I feel like throwing up, but we're there.
Jackie is jogging.
Come on, Jackie. Keep going, Jackie. Keep jogging. So I'm going to sprint and then stop. You ready? 5, 4. This is just for the sprint. 3.
Here we go.
2, 1.
Let's go. Come on, babe. You can do it. Go on. Go on then. Go on then.
Here we go.